You're so into it. Are you just like really concentrating 100%?
I can only really do one thing at a time, so that's why I look so intense and concentrating. So I can't really chew gum and walk at the same time. So.
No, but how do you feel when you come off stage? Are you just like emotionally drained, or do you feel kind of, is it like therapy?
Sure. What?
Move out of my way. Take your shit.
Alright.
It's easy to become lost.
Oh my God!
I didn't sign up for this. You're paying my electric bill. Oh! Doors and a log collar. No, the lights now. My lights are off. Put on headphones now. I had them on. Oh shit. How many doors are in your house? 6? 10? Well, that's the doors in your house. What? Hello? Are you counting the... This is creepy. Man, they added a door. Huh? I don't feel safe. This is the door. Oh, hell no. Nope. Do not try to find the door. Why not? You search for too long in your house. Just God damn it, I gotta go back. If you search for too long, your house may begin to look unfamiliar. What are you talking about? It's easy to become lost.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Jonathan!
Oh god, I just gotta cry. Ow! Ow! This motherfucker scared the shit out of me. Alright. Alright. Oh. That's what look for the door. Why is he turning his head like that? Hang on! Oh, I don't. I didn't sign up for this. You're paying my electric bill. Alright. For the record, you motherfuckers are paying my electric bill. This is fucking insane.
I found it.
Found it. Why are you talking? Oh. Oh, you gonna open the door or not? Yo! Nope, I'm pulling out the shot. Pop out! Okay. Audrey found the door. You gotta try to find the door. He will find you! Whoa! Who's knocking? It's here. Who's knocking? I'll punch this fucking monitor right now! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Ah! Don't play with me! Try to run. No! You gonna get these hands! My God! Bro! My God! How many doors? I understand! Andrew Hyde, Taylor Delia as Audrey. That scared the shit out of me. That was probably one of the best jump scare sales that I've ever took. And just for that, you both earned my respect. Especially towards an analog horror video. For that matter, I'm cutting it.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime.